There is a picture of a happy family cleaning their house. Let's look at this picture and study English together. The man is sweeping the ground. The woman is pulling out weeds. The boy is picking at sticks. The girl is cleaning the front pillar of the house. They are in front of their house. The man is holding a broom. The woman is holding a small garden tool. The boy is holding a black trash. The girl is holding a spray bottle and a clothes. There are dry leaves on the ground. There is a bicycle near the house.